Microsoft Publisher is a Microsoft Office program used for long documents. The program is like a crossbreed between Microsoft Word and PowerPoint. Open Microsoft Publisher. I am opening Microsoft Publisher on a Windows 8 operating system. Microsoft Publisher should be located in the Microsoft Office folder. Add your text. Click on the Draw Text box on the home page. Draw the text box to the guidelines that appear on the page that are 0.5 inches from the edge of the page. Copy the text from your desired document using Ctrl-C. Click inside the text box you created and use Ctrl-V to paste in your text. Go over to the navigation bar on the left side of the screen and right-click on the page and click Insert Page. Click OK. Click on the first page in the navigation bar. Click on the text box. Click on the ellipsis at the bottom right-hand corner. This loads your cursor with the text that will not fit on the first page. Click with the loaded cursor anywhere on the second page. Resize the text box that appeared. Insert another page. Loads your cursor with the text that will not fit. Click with the loaded cursor anywhere. Resize the text box that appeared. We are going to change the number of pages we are inserting. We can do 2 or 3, but for this document we are going to do 2. We can place the pages before or after the page we have selected. We can place a text box on the page. We can also duplicate the items on a specific page, like if we wanted to copy everything on page 1 or 2. We are going to create one text box on each page. Now reload your cursor, drop it in the text box we created on the 4th page. The text is done, so we do not need page 5. We are going to delete page 5 by right-clicking and selecting Delete. Now we can drag or drop the pages by picking them up in the navigation bar and moving them up or down. The text overflow that we made earlier will stay the same. View 2 pages at once. Click on View and click on 2-page spread. Now we have a book-like view. Alter the master pages. Click on Master Page under the View tab. We are now viewing the master page. Go to Insert tab and click on Shapes. You can click on any shape you like. We are going to insert a line. We are going to change the weight of the line to 3 points. And we are going to change the line to dots. Now we are going to rename the master page. This is our title page. Now we are going to add a master page. This is going to be our body page, so we want to check the box to make a 2-page spread. We are going to copy the line from the first master page using Ctrl-C. Then we are going to click on the second master page and click Ctrl-V to paste the line. Hit Ctrl-V 4 times and move the lines you pasted into the desired spot on the page. I am placing my line between the text and the header and footers of the page. Now draw a text box in the bottom right-hand corner. Click on the center so the text appears in the middle of the text box. Click on the Insert tab. Click on Page Number. We can use the quick settings to place the text box in the header or the footers, but I want the page number to appear in my text box, so I am going to click on Insert in Current Text Box. Select the text box with your cursor. Ctrl-C to copy it. Then scroll over to the bottom left-hand side of the left page. Control V to paste to your text box and drag it to the bottom left-hand corner. Page numbers will always appear as number sign on master pages, not the actual number. Now we're going to place a header. Click on the header under Insert tab. Now I'm going to place the title of this piece, Bullet in the Brain, in the header. Then I highlight the text, return to the Home tab, and I'm going to change the font to California FB. Center the text. Scroll over to the right side. I'm going to place the author of the text, Tobias Wolff. I'm going to scroll back to the left side, highlight the text, and click on the Paintbrush Format Painter tab, and highlight the header on the right side to copy the format. Return to the Master Pages tab. I'm going to duplicate Master Page B. If we had another story by Tobias Wolff, I could delete Bullet in the Brain and type in Smokers and apply this master page to that story. Since we do not have that story, we're going to delete this page by selecting it in the navigation bar and clicking the delete button. To double check the header, click on the header and a second click pushes you to the footer. You can place the date, the time, and even the page number in either of these areas. Now we're going to apply the master pages. We're going to apply the body pages to pages 2 through 4 in the document. We're going to apply the title page to page 1 in the document. I could also apply these pages to all the pages in this document, or to the current page I have selected in the document. I now have a complete document with my master pages applied using Microsoft Publisher.